An introduction to project management. The Great Pyramid of Giza and the Great Wall of China are proof of some form of project management has been present since early civilization. Henry Grant developed the Gantt chart in 1912 to efficiently schedule tasks. It was used in the construction of locomotives and during World War I in the shipbuilding process. In 1957, the critical path method was designed to calculate all tasks required to complete a project and the duration for each of them. Not to be confused with the critical chain project management, which was developed around 1997. The critical chain method places a greater emphasis on resources and applies a theory of constraints to project management. In 1958, Program Evaluation Review technique was first used in the U.S. Navy's submarine missile program to analyze each task and the minimum amount of time needed for each task. In 1962, the work breakdown structure was created to break down projects into different levels of tasks that needed to be done, organizing them in a hierarchical tree format versus chronological order. Modern project management principles have been applied to the construction of amazing structures like the Hoover Dam and Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. It can also be applied to the workplace. For example, facilitating more productive meetings. Project management is used to develop new technologies. It can be a useful tool for reducing stress related to weddings and even maximizing the fun factor for the family vacation. You can get as simple as everyday tasks and chores related to cleaning your house. You might be wondering, how can project management improve the efficiency of cleaning a house? Well, right now, we're about to show you. Here we have 4 college students who need to clean their place for their dinner party tonight. The table's a mess. The dishes need to be cleaned. And Jessica just realized what time it was. Here's how things work on the fly without project management. Brittany volunteers to clean the kitchen, Jessica offers to clean the living room, and Kelly and Alicia decide to clean the dining room together. Everyone needs the broom, and they all think they should use it first. This is an example of resource constraint. We only have one broom to share, and it creates a delay in activities. Kelly takes the broom first. And Brittany and Jessica take selfies together while they wait for their turn with the broom, instead of working on other chores. People are resources too. Because Alicia doesn't know where she should be, she's just a wasted resource sitting around. Kelly's all finished with the broom, and it sits there while Brittany and Jessica take a few more selfies, procrastinating until the last moment. This is an example of the student syndrome. Alicia, sorting through her school papers while talking on her cell phone, takes her sweet time, while Kelly is trying to get the table cleaned and set as quick as possible. Alicia is expanding her work to fill up the time she was allocated to complete her task. This is an example of Parkinson's law. It's almost time for the party. Now we must hurry. The dorm isn't finished yet. Kelly tries multitasking to keep her task on time. She sets the table while wiping it off. Oops, uh-oh. The multitasking, it just doesn't work. Multitasking causes you to lose focus and your quality of work to suffer. As a result of the resource constraint, wasted resource, student syndrome, Parkinson's law, and multitasking, the floors are still dirty, the dishes didn't get put away, the silverware was forgotten on the table, and it was poorly set. Kelly thinks there has to be a better way. Aha! Kelly draws up a network diagram to help organize the tasks in order by room. And draws up a basic critical path so we're able to efficiently use our single broom and determine what path will take the longest to complete. This determines the length of time needed to complete the project. Everyone is excited and thinks this is just an awesome idea. Let's restart the scenario, this time utilizing project management tools. This time Jessica dusts the living room, while Brittany washes and rinses the dishes. And Alicia sorts the papers on the table, while Kelly moves the chairs. Jessica sweeps the living room, while Brittany wipes the counters, and Kelly gathers the dishes to be ready to start setting the table as soon as Alicia finishes wiping it off. Brittany sweeps the kitchen while Kelly's ready for the resource handoff. For the final tasks, Kelly sweeps the dining room, and then everybody helps put the chairs back. Woo, yeah, it's almost time for the party, and the house is finished. Cleaning the house for a party was an oversimplified example. Project management can be used for the smallest project, such as the one we showed, or a more complex engineering project, like the Hoover Dam. Some benefits of project management include increasing project completion rates within your organization, saving money, saving time, finishing with desired results, increase in productivity, and even saving your job.